From the main menu, select New Test. Select the ear or ears to be tested. The Allegro provides visual prompts during each step in the test process. The first message is Insert Probe. At that time, you will insert the probe into the opening of the ear canal to obtain an airtight seal, and hold the Allegro at that position for the entire test. Keep your eye on the display screen, as additional messages will inform you of the status of the evaluation. These include equalizing pressure, pressure settling, seal obtained, taking tympanogram, and, if selected, seeking IPSI reflex. When the measurement is complete, you will be prompted to withdraw the probe and the tympanogram will be displayed. Review the tympanogram and press the right button to accept it. If the reflex test was performed, the results will be displayed. Use the up and down buttons to view the results for each of the reflex tone levels used. If the reflex test was performed at more than one frequency, use the up and down buttons to view the results for the additional frequencies. If the Allegro was set to test for a reflex at all levels of the stimulus, press the right button to view a summary of the levels and frequencies at which a reflex was detected. It is possible to press the left button to return and view the tympanogram, the reflex results, or to repeat the test. When satisfied with all of the results, press the right button. If Test Both Ears was selected at the beginning of the evaluation, you will be prompted to insert the probe into the other ear and the entire sequence will be repeated.